Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Burdocks in Heartopia. So this Burdocks is one of the wild greens, the new ingredients in Heartopia that you can use it to cook any limited food at this new event, Dreamlike cinematic event in this Heartopia. And then to get this Burdocks, you can just go to the wheel mountain, this area, and then just walk around to this area, and then just walk around until you found the wild greens that looks like this, and then just tap on the big button to pick it like this, and then you will get the Burdocks automatically, and then just continue to collect another wild greens like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.